Thank you for showing interest and hope that you have taken a decision to step into a new journey where you understand that health is the prime important factor of human life. In this video, I am going to explain you about our project Epigenetic Solution for Obesity Management using DNA profiling, which is completely a research-based program with latest innovations in medical science with major focus on DNA and genetics. Here, I am also explaining you how it is structured step by step to achieve your goals, and it is going to benefit you. I am Lijuar Nair, wellness enthusiast, passionate in genetic science and biohacking. Let me to start the company Genetrix Genetic Solution, where I help people to actualize their dreams by assisting them to understand their unique genetic makeup and transform their lives. Before going to this obesity management program, let me explain about your body, which is approximately made up of 37.2 trillion cells. In each cells, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes, which contains your genes. And these genes are made up of your DNA. And DNA is made up of four chemicals: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. A, T, C, and G, the alphabets of human body. By understanding how these alphabets are placed in your body, you can play with your body. About 99% of genes in all human beings are almost similar, but there are significant variations in each and every individual in this universe, make them unique. By understanding your uniqueness in this universe, that means how your DNA is made up, you can play with your body so that you can control your diets and your exercises also. You can understand which diet suits you the best, which exercise is better for you, and which diseases are going to happen you in future and how it is going to attack you. Why it is important to have a good health? I believe that there are three factors which are necessary for a person to be successful. Number one is your physical fitness. If you are not physically fit, whatever achievements you attained in your life, you cannot enjoy your life properly. Mostly people end up losing health on the run to attain other areas of life. Second important factor is your mental fitness, which means you should be a balanced personality with positive thoughts and good vibes. Also, the relationship with your family, friends, and society matters. If you are physically fit, you can easily achieve this mental fitness using techniques like meditations, yoga, or by attaining good knowledge by reading good books, or by participating in sessions by teachers or gurus who can guide you to a good mental ability. Once you attain the above two factors, that is physical fitness and mental fitness, the third important factor will follow you automatically, that is your financial fitness. It is obvious that we can't wear the socks after wearing the shoes. There are some steps required for each and every process and every journey. So, if you want to be successful in life, you have to attain all these fitnesses in a step-by-step way so that you will achieve the real transformation. First thing I wish to tell you is that the real transformation starts within you. That is, understanding yourself from the cell level biology itself. Without knowing yourself, there is no scope of development. Now let us come to the point of obesity. It is very important for you to pay attention to the following slides, which detail about some scientifically proven facts and how genetics and DNA profiling is going to help you achieve your physical fitness goals. What affects the body composition? Two people of the same body weight may look completely different from each other due to various hereditary factors, that is genes. Then physical activity, diet, gender, and finally metabolism. Ghrelin and leptin are the two important hormones which decide how you eat food. If you have a gene that makes you overweight, it increases your hunger hormone, that is ghrelin, and this gene also delays your satiety hormone, that is leptin. If leptin is produced late, you will not feel full after having a meal. We can help you find out if your gene makes you eat a lot of fat or carbohydrates, and let you know what kind of foods and eating patterns will satisfy them without gaining weight. Is meat good for you? Now let us think, how well do you metabolize meat and its toxic byproducts? Do you neutralize them effectively? Fried and grilled meats, apart from many other kinds of foods, have two chemicals called PAH, polyamino hydrocarbons, and PCAs, polycyclic amines, that cause aging and several diseases, including cancer. While you may neutralize and eliminate them efficiently if you carry the healthy gene, but in its absence, these two carcinogens would just accumulate in your body. This is a frequent cause of colorectal cancer among meat eaters. Then comes the lactose intolerance, and it is not a myth, it is in fact the norm. As mammals, we do not have the enzymes to digest milk and dairy products beyond our breastfeeding age. So, milk can be a natural irritant to our gut. We help you find out if you have the genes to digest milk as an adult, or if you lost them right after the infancy. And studies shows that about 82% of Indian population is lactose intolerant. Sugar is certainly not good, but for some of us, sugar is plain evil. Some of us have a gene that combines sugar with useful proteins and lipids that makes them useless products that causes inflammation. Scientists have now found that these sugar byproducts can wreak havoc in the body, slowly damaging the skin and kidneys and accelerate aging. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are miracle micronutrients, essential for various functions of the body, but only in small doses. Some of us have a gene that efficiently uses these, balancing them in the body and maintaining anti-aging and cognitive functions very well. But some of us don't have such an efficient gene. Let us find out and take the necessary steps. B vitamins are essential in our diet, but a defective gene fails to metabolize it properly. If you carry this defective gene, then you accumulate toxic amounts of a metabolic byproduct and will need a special vitamin formulation. This affects only some of the B vitamins, and finding out will help you identify and prevent several deficiencies and malfunctions. A study published by the British Journal of Public Health states that excess weight is more dangerous than being a lifetime smoker, chronic drinker, or a banned substance user. In India, 75% urban population is overweight or obese. So you can't feel bad as you are encountering with more obese people, and you may think yours is a normal size, but it is not so. It is advisable to check your parameters and be sure that you are not an overweight person. WHO is identified obesity as the fourth chronic disease today, and obesity also develops into many chronic diseases. There is a 57% chance of obese people to become diabetic, a 75% chance to end up with a weakened immune system, 30% chance for a pancreatic failure, 17% chance for having heart disease and high blood pressure, 14% chances for arthritis, and 11% chances for cancers. Also go through the following reports. How dangerous is obesity in situations like COVID-19? And we can expect similar situations in future also. Here we can see some facts regarding ideal parameters of how your body should be concerning weight, BMI, body fat, biological age, waist, circumferences, BMR, and visceral fat. Among the body fats, the most dangerous one is visceral fat, which is to be addressed very seriously. Otherwise, it will play havoc to your life in COVID-19 like situations. Ideal visceral fat level should be less than 9, and any number above 9 is risky, and above 15 it is high risk. If your visceral fat is more than 20, it is a dangerous situation. So I recommend you to check your visceral fat count, as in someone's case it may not be so visible from external looks of belly size. Even people with low belly size have visceral fat levels more than 10, which is to be addressed on an emergency basis. We at Genetrix help you to understand your parameters by routine checkups and advise you in these areas. Then let us have a look. What are the basic requisites for a great healthy life? First is good nutrition. Second, adequate rest, positive mental attitude, and regular exercise. But the majority can't achieve all these 4 parameters due to some of their own problems. Then what is the solution? Our epigenetic solution for obesity management using DNA profiling technology is a 108 days guided program where you can come to know about your cellular level health. This program is a synergy of genetic science and natural management of diet and exercise. This program will definitely gives you miraculous results in these 108 days. How is Genetrix program of epigenetic solution for obesity management using DNA profiling technology differ from other weight management programs or other diet programs? Here we go. In other diet programs or weight loss programs, people lose their muscle mass, charm, and end up in reduced metabolism and hydration level, which ultimately leads to various other diseases in future. But in our Genetrix epigenetic solutions for obesity management program, they will become more hydrated with a high metabolic rate, which ultimately leads to increase in muscle mass and charm, as the entire program is designed according to each individual's DNA structure by avoiding all the factors which may not suit their DNA structure. By this way, this program becomes a safe and sure option. Let us see how we work. We take your saliva sample for DNA analysis and a detailed report based on your epigenetic makeup, which is purely a personalized one, which will be a special report for yours. After this, our genetic counselor and doctor study your report and prepare a specialized diet and exercise regime for you, which will be delivered to you. And we will drive you to a new life in 108 days guided procedure, where you will get diet and exercise chart for every 15 days interval, and feedbacks will be monitored in each intervals, and if required, intervention by our team will be done for any modification or changes. We are not giving you a mere diet plan. It will be a step-by-step goal-oriented plan. So, what is the cost? Rupees 39,999. No. We are now giving it half the price, that is 19,919. As we go to mass marketing through social media, which helps us reduce our overheads. So get registered now to have a disease-free, healthy, and happy life by clicking the link below, or send a text "I am in" to the WhatsApp number 98469 77770. Thank you.